Hello everyone, Kai is here. Seedance 2 is going to blow up the show. Let's see some clips.
I like balance. I like strength. I like flow. I like speed.
Иди сюда! Командир, готовы!
Seedance 2 is coming soon, and the new footage looks amazing. I'm Kai, and today I'm working with Higgsfield. They are a fast-growing AI company focused on making things easy for creators. We are getting ready for the Seedance 2 release, and people are already talking about it everywhere. Higgsfield is easy to use, has great models, and offers very low prices. Right now, they have a special deal where you can get or upgrade your account for half price. If you choose the Creator or Ultimate plan, you get special access to new models and unlimited use of Nano Banana, Seedream, and Minimax. Their prices are great compared to other sites, and you can buy more credits whenever you want. Just check the comparison charts to find the right plan for you. They also just added a team plan for groups. Now, let's look at what the new Seedance 2 can actually do. AI video is changing from a fun trick into a real tool for creators. It's now all about making videos that are stable and make sense. Seedance 2 is a great example of this. It focuses on three main things: smoother movement, steady visuals without flickering, and better camera angles. The goal is to stop making random clips and start giving creators real control over their work.
The game is over.
Key architectural improvements include sequence-level coherence, which maintains lighting and spatial logic throughout a clip, and advanced temporal stability to eliminate visual jitter. The model also excels at subject consistency, ensuring characters remain recognizable across different shots. Compared to Seedance 1.5, version 2 focuses on temporal control and scene-level logic, making it a robust asset for professional filmmaking and high-end motion design. People are really impressed with the camera movement in the new Seedance 2 previews.
Damn it! At 176 Queenstown, someone will be waiting for you there.
The AI now knows exactly how to move the camera or when to switch shots all on its own. You don't have to spend time setting things up or writing complicated instructions to make it look professional. It just understands how a movie should look and does the hard work for you, making it much easier to create high-quality videos. Experts are using Seedance 2 to see how well AI can handle tricky shots, like extreme close-ups and realistic physics. In macro cinematography, everything from the texture of a surface to the way light hits, it has to be perfect, or it looks fake. Seedance 2 is passing these tests with steady movement and clear details. Because it handles these difficult stress tests so well, it is becoming a top choice for making professional product videos and high-quality films. Industry discussion identifies character and subject consistency as a primary strength of Seedance 2. This addresses a major bottleneck in AI-driven narrative and branded content, where recurring visual systems are required. Unlike earlier models that approximated identity frame by frame, Seedance 2 is being evaluated for its ability to maintain persistent character identity across motion. This shift is critical for creators requiring recognizable assets for advertising and long-form storytelling. Social media has been going absolutely crazy for Seedance 2 lately, and we are all eagerly awaiting its full introduction. I'm already on the waitlist, and I'll be releasing a complete guide on how to generate cinematic videos with this new model as soon as it drops. If you want to get on the list and stay updated on the release in the next few days, make sure to click the link in my description. Just add your email to the Seedance 2 waitlist on Higgsfield to ensure you don't miss out. That's all for today. I'll show you some more videos made by the Cedence community now. Please tell me what you think in the comments. Your ideas will help me decide what to make when the model is released. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Coffee?
Thanks.
床前明月光，疑是地上霜。我的 flow 太强，震惊大唐。老李你别狂，看我现实主义说唱炸翻全场。